Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. You guys, I am famished. I'm famished. I have literally closed but not closed from work. I'm in a Zoom meeting with my phone. You guys can see, but I'm muted. Apart from KK events and decor and YouTube, you guys know that Boomsy is a corporate girl. I am still on my Zoom meeting. I've shown you guys, like, I have my food here and I am so hungry. I'm so hungry. The chef made chicken sauce and white rice, and I think I'll just eat a bit because when I get home I'm going straight into the kitchen. I want to welcome. I remind some of this for Kaito and Kaima. I'm finishing. When I get home now, I'm thinking if I should just use this evening and fix my nails. It's been a while I fixed my nails. But I was just saying that I remain some for Kaito and Kaima because I don't have any cash. I've realized that for any time I withdraw cash, I must finish everything. Everything I want to buy on the road must be out there. Corn and pear, corn and coconut. This one, so you hear me? Hear me? You guys have been working since, and hear me? See, to eat other people's food has been hungering this your girl. But I will decide on my way going if I will just quickly do my nails before I head back home. Because once I head back home, you guys know that I'm gonna take away my corporate and head into mommy and wifey hood. So, anyways, let's just carry on with this vlog. Welcome back again to my channel. I hope you guys enjoy watching. Boomsy is so hungry. So hungry. How are you guys doing actually? You guys will say I'm asking you how you're doing and I'm eating a plate of food. I'll see you guys. Let me just finish up and head home. Give me big spoon.
the next day.
Hey guys, so I'm not gonna be making noise because I'm still in the office, right? And this is about to 7. I'm sure you guys will be saying like, Bumsy, why are you still in the office by this time? I am lagging behind with a lot of things that I'm supposed to finish up. Like, I don't want to go behind my timeline with certain things, so I'm staying back in the office. I don't want to deceive myself to say when I get home I'm going to what they call it, like take care of my children, play with them, sleep, and then set alarm till 2 a.m. and wake up and not. It usually disrupts my sleep, or sometimes I will not even wake up when the alarm is ringing, and then it also disturbs my husband as well because it's and I'm not putting it off. So even if I'm gonna be leaving here by 10 o'clock, my children are in safe hands. I'm not what they call it, you guys. But this brings me to what I want to discuss with you people. Please and please and please, see, if I tell you, if you come into what my life looks like in a day, it is crazy. And if I commit to something, I like to see it through. And especially with this my YouTube, it's a business to me, it's a commitment to me. I've done it consistently for the past 3 years and it's a part of me, right? So I try as much as possible to put videos 3 times in a week. It is not easy to do all of these things, honestly. It is not easy, and then I have to go to work. In fact, if you see any YouTuber that is juggling YouTube and working full-time, I mean, go and give that YouTuber a hug, because YouTube is draining. When I mean draining, and to put videos 3 times a week, still show up in every other aspect of my life, my job, in fact, during month end, my table is usually crazy. During month end, my table is crazy. I'm not even joking with you guys. But I was having a meeting with my YouTube partner manager yesterday, and she was telling me that out of almost 12,000 subscribers, I have just 22% of my subscribers that turned on my post notification, and that's why my videos are doing somewhat poorly from how we used to do. And I was like, really? So like, it's just 22% of over 11,967 subscribers. So that would be like maybe like only 2,000 subscribers, their notifications are turned on, or 2,200 subscribers, their notifications are turned on to watch me anytime I post a video. And I think that that is so poor. That is, and she said over 30-something% view my videos without subscribing to my channel. And I was like, what? So she was like, if I need to start saying it on my channel, please subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notification. So if you don't know what post notification is, I'm gonna leave it on the screen, right? It is that bell icon that when you click on it, so if I post a video, you are notified that I've actually posted a video, because I see some people don't even know that I have been consistently posting videos. They come and say, oh, Bumsy, you haven't posted in like 2 weeks. And I'm like, really? I have been posting videos consistently. So please, even if you're not seeing the notification or anything, maybe unsubscribe and subscribe back to my channel and turn on your post notification. Encourage me, honestly. Like, if you genuinely love me and I put a smile on your face, and you want me to keep striving and keep going on and keep putting videos for you guys, please encourage me by turning on your post notification. Don't just watch me and go. I mean, if you enjoy my content, if you search for me and you enjoy my content, my lifestyle content, please click the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. It is your own, special way of, I'm not even gonna say little way, because you know, watching me is also an added advantage to me as well, but it's also your own special way of subscribing to my channel and turning on your post notifications, so that all the hard work that, you know, I will put in creating content, editing content, posting these videos, you know, I would definitely rip it off. But you guys, this is just, you know, I'm like, just 22%. And she was like, yeah, if you need to start saying it on your channel, if you need to start letting people know that it is not just by watching you. So if you love me, you're watching me on this channel, and you know, you want to hit that subscribe button, please hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification. Or if you have been watching me and you've not turned on your post notification to be notified anytime I post a new video, please turn it up. It helps my channel a lot. It helps, honestly, it helps. You know, I don't want to do all this hard work in vain. So please, please and please, if you love me, if I entertain you, if I love people say, Boomsy, you inspire me, if I inspire you, please help me turn on your post notification. I have a lot of videos that I have to sit down to edit. I have been doing interviews for people for the past 3 months, and I've seemed not to find anybody that matches up the role and is willing to actually work. I haven't seen anybody. So imagine me being in the office by this time, right, and you know, handling my businesses, which is my YouTube and my KK, right, handling these businesses, my children, my family. Sometimes it's like nerve-wracking. Sometimes I'm overwhelmed, but you guys don't get to see all of these things because I've already pre-planned videos. I've already what they call it, like I've already uploaded videos on my channel, so you guys don't really get to see all of, like, when I really break down and I'm so overwhelmed with a lot of things. And secondly, I also want to ask you guys, what are the videos that you would really like to see on my channel aside vlogs? You know, I just feel like vlogs, I've just mastered vlogs, and you guys enjoy vlogs because you get to see more insight of my children, what they are doing, what we eat as a family and all. But there can be more, you know, and I'm gonna try myself to stretch myself to more. I know you guys will say market vlogs because you enjoy market vlogs, but it's not easy, right? I usually do bulk shopping. If you notice, I do bulk shopping in a month. I do bulk shopping in a month because I don't want to have to be going to the market back and forth, and then I'm going to break down. How many excuses am I going to get from the office? Or even, let's say I'm working from home and I need to go to the market. I can't go to any of these bigger markets and leave my laptop just pending. What if I have a meeting to click into? I can't. Do you get what I'm saying? But if there are other things that you want to see on my channel, if there are other topics that you want me to delve into, because I do this poll section on my channel, on my Instagram every Friday, I'm thinking of, you know, bringing it to my YouTube and basically just interacting with you guys. You drop me anonymous messages and I read it out and I seek for other people's opinion as well, and we learn. But it's not about what I want, it's about what you guys want. So please leave it in the comment section for me, like, what more do you want to see from my channel? What more do you want me to do on the channel? And if it's something I can do, I would consider doing it. But anyways, guys, this vlog will be a bit empty because a lot of interesting vlogs are going to follow through. My hands are so full this period, but I wanted to put out this vlog before next week. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys will do this for me. Turn on your post notification for me, subscribe for me, leave a comment for me, engage on my videos, watch my videos, and thank you guys so much. God bless you all. I definitely will see you in my next video. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button, like, share, and corporate Boomsy saying